Hey everybody, this is Tanya Atomic. Today I'm going to be unboxing Medusa's makeup. Medusa's makeup is cruelty-free and vegan, and they have a monthly subscription box. It is under $20 and you get 4 to 5 full-size items. This is going to be my very last Medusa's makeup box, my very last Medusa's makeup unboxing. Not because I don't like Medusa's makeup, but I do have a lot of makeup products from them because I've been doing the subscription box for a long time. And I've also had to pare down my monthly payments because I am on Adobe Cloud. I had to make a little bit of adjustments. So let's get right into this. My last box. I feel a little, but I can always re-up the subscription if I want to. So this is the December box and it says ho ho ho. Tells you what's in there. I'm not going to look at that quite yet. And let's just start pulling items out. The first one is some eye dust. So they make really good loose eye dust. It's sort of a rust, shimmery rust color here. That's really pretty. And the next thing is a brush. So that looks like a smudging brush or a detailing brush, maybe an eyeliner brush. I have a lot of brushes from Medusa Makeup and I do enjoy them, and I like how the handles, so I've got a bunch with these glittery handles and they'll match really cute. And then the next thing is eyeliner seal. Ooh, that's a good product. Eyeliner seal. So this says mix equal parts eyeliner seal with eye dust into a paste and use, oh, that's really neat. So they're giving you these items that work together. So you can use the eyeliner brush, the eyeliner seal, and then you can use any of their loose shadows, or probably any pressed shadow as well, to make eyeliner out of. I really like that, and I'm definitely going to try this. That is super cool. I do like the non-makeup products from Medusa's Makeup. I use their eye makeup remover and setting spray and some other things. So that's very cool. Then there's Hello Glow here. So it's a face stick, highlighter stick, I believe. So there, some glowy highlight. That looks really pretty. There's a little bit of a blue reflect, shiny reflect to it. So that's really nice. I like that. I am feeling a little bittersweet. I really like this particular box, but my whole thing is if I like single products, I'll use the money that I would be using on this box to buy single products when I do want them, but not be committed to the monthly subscription. So here is a bullet lipstick, which I love their bullet lipsticks. This is called Baroque, and that's a really nice, sort of a deep mauve-y shimmery. It looks like what I have on almost. Similar to, let's give it a swatch. Similar to, it might be a little pinker, a little lighter, but similar to. Anyway, that is everything for today's video. If you like what you see, please subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment below. It helps me out. And let me know what you think about me canceling my subscription. It's already been done. But like I said, I may buy single items from Medusa's Makeup. I do like several of their products. So let me know what you think. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.